Hello today. I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this andobil compatible for MagSafe car mount. It's an automatic match MagSafe system that is a magnetic phone holder for our car. It is made out of or with powerful 20 magnets. It's compatible for all MagSafe cases, for iPhone 14 Pro and Max, and of course the iPhone series 13, 12 as well. And of course, additionally, it's compatible with all smartphones because there are magnetic rings in the box too, so you can make every device out there compatible with this car phone holding system here. It's really cool design. It's a magnetic car phone mount and the design for the MagSafe. This phone or all our phones does not need to be 100% aligned with the mount. We just place our phone on it and it will automatically and accurately attach to the MagSafe. So it is really easy to install our phone on this magnetic car phone mount here. It is compatible without additional parts, without an additional ring, perfect for our iPhone 14, 13 and 12 series and MagSafe cases. The powerful ring magnets inside the magnetic phone holder for our car, truck or SUV is not only automatically matches the MagSafe features on our iPhone hand, but also provides a strong magnetic grip to hold our phone even when slowing down or hitting potholes, and that means never sliding like some weaker magnetic car mounts. So we can focus more on driving and we are safer on the road. Yeah, the andobil for MagSafe car mount here have powerful 3M adhesive that comes with it, and it applies to the smooth plastic of our car van guard. It is stuck tight. Even the 100-degree temps in Texas have not affected the grip. This 3M adhesive needs to be stuck on a hard flat surface, maybe not leather, vinyl or soft surfaces. Such as a compact magnetic car phone holding system, it will not take up space in our car or obstruct our view. We can install it anywhere. The stem of the iPhone 14 Pro Max MagSafe's car mount had enough room to the ball joint to allow us to make a good rotation. We can get an angle that allows us to see the phone in a normal and comfortable way, not awkward way. And the 3 metal rings in the accessory allows other phones or regular phone cases to also be perfectly compatible with this magnetic phone mount. So for example, you can use your Samsung Galaxy devices for it, your Huawei, your all kind of Android phones or other devices you can dock there, as well small navigation devices. If you can attach the ring, you can attach it on this mount. And it's cool because you does not need it to install in your car ventilation system, for example. It is possible to attach it on the dashboard easily. Of course, you can also use it on your desktop to make a good and nice smartphone holding system on your desktop with it. Of course, in the box there is alignment paper or alignment measurement system is installed too, to attach a non MagSafe device with it. We use the cleaning wipe to clean the back of the phone, or of course the phone case, where the metal rings needs to be placed. And then We unfold the matchup card and we align the circle of the matchup card to the center of the phone, and we make sure that the length from the edge of the circle to the left and the right and the bottom edge of the phone is the same. And then we can tear the protective paper of the matter ring and paste the matter ring onto the center of the phone or the phone's case. And then we press firmly along the magnetic ring to secure it, of course. And after this step, we can attach it easily. Of course, we can remove the matchup card and the installation is completed. After passing the magnetic ring, we should wait 24 hours to make a better service with the glue of the ring. Then we can assemble the car mount into your car. We clean the dashboard where we need to install the magnetic holder with a cleaning kit, and we wait until it's dry off. Then we tear off the gum release paper of the adhesive from the base of the magnetic holder system. And then it's time to attach the base on the cleaned area and press it firmly for more than 20 seconds to fix it. If the gum on the base is not firmly attached, we should tear it off. According to the material of the car dashboard, we will place the matched spare gum before sticking, okay? For specific usage, we should refer to instrumental of the gum sticker. And after standing for 24 hours, we put the phone on it and we can use it. This is the most thing. A lot of guys out there does not make 24 hours is glue drying phase. It's really important to let the glue make a good connection between the dashboard and the magnetic car phone mount. And after this, you can easily dock your smartphone onto it, and of course then you can use it as a navigation system too, or you can use it for communication or so many other things you like to do while you're driving. Of course, you can make it to look a movie, but this you have to do in a not driving moment. And then this andobil magnetic car phone mount here is really good and really a really good stylish model to mount your smartphone. The focus is on the iPhone and MagSafe compatible devices, but you can also use other cases and other phones too, because the rings are included at the magnetic car phone mount by Andobil. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.